one of the most advanced tools for spiritual growth right now is Facebook and Instagram. Cheers! This is Sam Lehin. Apparently, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, other platforms will know a lot of each of us, and they know our weaknesses, and they try to exploit our weaknesses to get attention. We know they will try to do this all the time. So the best thing that we can do is to open social network, see the first possible thing that we see, and understand that somebody tries to trick you. And then you see, you learn on this, you grow on this, and then nobody else can get your attention through exploiting this flow.